Nothing to do or undo. Nothing to force, nothing to want, and nothing missing.
Happiness cannot be found through great effort and willpower, but is already present in open relaxation. And letting go, and letting go. Don't strain yourself. There's nothing to do or undo. Whatever arises in the body-mind has no real importance at all. Why identify with it and become attached to it, passing judgment upon it and ourselves? Far better to simply let the entire game happen on its own, springing up and falling back like waves, without changing or manipulating anything. And notice how everything vanishes and reappears amazingly again and again. Time without end. They are like the weather, like a rainbow in the sky, wanting to grasp the ungraspable. You exhaust yourself in vain.
Nothing to do or undo. Nothing to force, nothing to want, and nothing missing. Nothing to do or undo. Nothing to force, nothing to want, and nothing missing.
As soon as you open and relax, infinite space is there, open and inviting. Make use of this spaciousness, this freedom and natural ease. Don't search any further. Don't go into the tangled jungle, looking for the great awakened elephant who's already resting at home in front of your own heart. to do or undo. Nothing to force, nothing to want, and nothing missing. Nothing to do or undo. Nothing to force, nothing to want, and nothing missing. Nothing to do or undo. Nothing to force, nothing to want, and nothing missing. Am I marvelous? Everything happens by itself, free and easy. Am I marvelous? Everything happens by itself,